delicious homemade lemon pepper wings recipe. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting recipe for you. Homemade lemon pepper wings. These wings are packed with flavor and are perfect for any occasion. So, let's dive right in and get started. To make these amazing lemon pepper wings, here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of chicken wings. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Add the zest of 1 lemon. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, optional for some heat. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First, let's start by preparing our chicken wings. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water and pat them dry using paper towels. This will help remove any excess moisture. In a large bowl, combine the lemon juice, lemon zest, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, if desired, and olive oil. Mix everything together to create a flavorful marinade. Add the chicken wings to the bowl and toss them around, ensuring they're well coated. Let the wings marinate for at least 30 minutes, but if you have more time, letting them sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight will enhance the flavor even more. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup. Place the marinated wings on the prepared baking sheet, making sure they're evenly spaced out. This allows them to cook evenly and become nice and crispy. Pop the wings into the preheated oven and bake them for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. While the wings are baking, we'll prepare the lemon pepper seasoning. For the lemon pepper seasoning, you'll need: add zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine the lemon zest, black pepper, and salt. Mix them together to create a vibrant and fragrant lemon pepper seasoning. Once the wings are done baking, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Transfer the wings to a large bowl, sprinkle the lemon pepper seasoning generously over them, and toss them around to ensure each wing is coated with that zesty goodness. And there you have it, our mouth-watering homemade lemon pepper wings are ready to be devoured. Serve them up on a platter, and if you'd like, garnish with some fresh lemon slices or chopped parsley for an extra pop of color. These wings are perfect as an appetizer, a party snack, or even as a main course. Trust me, your family and friends will love them. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn how to make these incredible lemon pepper wings. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. And, as always, if you have any questions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!